Cali Way. Sunrise over the palm trees and water my feet. Cruising down the coastline, feeling Cali heat. From the city life to the ocean breeze. Every dream feels real when you're living free. Hollywood signs in the boulevard glow, chasing down stars where the good vibes flow. In this golden state, we rise and we shine. Every day a new page, writing life's design. From the hills to the bay, it's a brand new day. In the land of dreams, where the sky's never gray. Chasing every moment, no limits in sight. In the golden state, we take flight. Golden state, dreaming where the sun always gleams. Living for the freedom, building up our dreams. From LA to the Bay, we got that Cali way. Golden state, dreaming every single day. Venice Beach vibes, boardwalks and skates. Rolling through life like there's no such thing as fate. From the desert to the mountains, the journey's long. But with every turn, you find where you belong. Echo Park night stars light up the sky, with the bonfire glow and good friends nearby. Out in the west, the horizon's wide. We dream big, laugh loud, take it all in stride. From the hills to the bay, it's a brand new day. In the land of dreams, where the sky's never gray. Chasing every moment, no limits in sight. In the golden state, we take flight. Golden state, dreaming where the sun always gleams. Living for the freedom, building up our dreams. From LA to the Bay, we got that Cali way. Golden state, dreaming every single day. Underneath the stars, the world fades away. On these Cali streets, we find our way. From the canyons to the waves, hear the song we play. This is home, where we'll always stay. We're chasing sunsets, we're riding the tide. In this land of gold, where the future's wide. No matter where you come from, you're part of the scene. California living is more than a dream. Golden state, dreaming where the sun